Welcome back. I've been told I'm kind of a reinvent the wheel kind of guy, and I don't think that was entirely meant as a compliment, but it's probably true. I did, after all, feel compelled to build my own camera and write my own software in order to shoot videos that can almost compete at the same level as cell phone videos. But I'm a firm believer that taking the long way is the only shortcut on the path to understanding. First, I showed you how to assemble your own 3D printed, snap-together Raspberry Pi HQ camera. Then I showed you how to install the software in order to turn it into a rolling 48-hour DVR. Now I'm going to show you how I use the Raspberry Pi computers in my everyday life to capture the interesting things that I've done and turn them into video segments so engaging that you not only found one of them, but stuck around for a whole minute. The software itself is toaster simple. It's always on and always recording. Under the hood, it stores video in 2-second chunks. If it has the CPU cycles to spare, it will take a snapshot of each chunk as it comes in. It stores all of this in an easy-to-understand and navigate folder hierarchy on disk. The Live tab will show you what is currently being recorded. It is not a video stream, but rather a sequence of snapshots from each 2-second chunk. The DVR tab lets you select any slice of the last 48 hours and play or download it. Finally, the Events tab will show you any motion that was detected. There's no AI involved with this one. It compares each snapshot that comes in and calculates the difference from the last one. Yes, there is a loss function, but the machine's not learning anything, so to speak. It is, however, super easy to grab an AI-based object detecting library and feed it the snapshots. Just attach a command to the camera library's capture event, and you can write new-bound commands in Python, JavaScript, Java, or Rust. Not much to it, but that's how it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making this, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks.